then you start thinking about
These are a few of my favorite things.
Hi.
Hi, welcome. Yeah, we wanted to talk about a few of our favorite fusing things, right? So this is a great add-on kit
Right.
that is on sale now and through December 15th.
$60
Yeah,
off.
$60 off, right? So this particular one is for COE 90 glass. So it does come with some glass, which is kind of nice. Gives you a little, some pre-cut squares for you to work with, which is nice.
4 of those, which is nice, right?
Which is nice.
And a
also,
mold
right?
that it fits on. So
Yeah,
that,
this is a
that's
must
nice.
be like a 6-inch mold, right? So, sure,
Yep,
it like
there you
fits right
go.
on it. Yeah, I can tell you that again. For me personally, this is one of my favorite things. I really like the molds. These particular nice little sushi dishes, I think
Right.
they call them, right? They're kind of
Just a nice slight bend, not anything real dramatic, but it is a nice.
yeah. It shows off
we
your
like a lot
glass
of
real
those.
well without having too much shape to the piece.
Right.
But you also get a lot of other sort of complementary type things.
Right.
So.
Like we said, these are kind of nice things to always have, and sometimes they're not like the essentials that you get to start out. But thin fire would be sort of an essential, and everybody always can use that.
You can always use fiber
Right.
paper, that's for sure.
Yep.
And then what else? Oh yeah, color wheel. This is, I think, is one a great addition, right? So, you know, it's a nice way of trying to find out, you know, what colors you might want to work with if you're kind of want to try out a new color palette. I mean, this is a great way of kind of figuring out what you want to, what kind of
Right.
colors work together.
Yeah, it is, and you just can slide it, and then it readjusts to different opposites
yeah, you can
or whatever.
do all
right?
kinds of like, you know, fancy stuff.
Fancy
Split complementary,
right,
right?
there you
Work
go. Get
with
real
triads
complicated with
and
your
stuff.
colors,
Yeah,
right?
it's really, really kind of fun. So what else?
Glue. So glue for people who maybe would like to use a lot of frit or big chunks of things and have to move it from place to place. The glue always come in really handy for that.
Yeah, that's a gel too, which is I think is pretty nice, right? It really kind of
Thicker.
Yeah, holds things in place a little bit better. And then the glass line black paint. So this is super handy, right? I think anytime you're doing something, you want to add a little, just maybe some little bit of detail, like maybe or even want to sign your work.
Or
great way.
outline. It's a
Yeah,
good
outline
outline
stuff,
stuff.
or
yeah.
putting in little eyeballs in places, right? So fires right onto the glass when you're doing your work.
This is a powder vibe, which I don't know if anybody knows how this works, but it's really pretty cool. This opens up. Well, I just turned it on. This opens up, doesn't it?
Yep. Yeah, one part
Oh
goes
yeah,
off. There you go.
yeah. And then it has a battery in it, and the magnet makes it go back, but it has a chamber back here for the powder, and then you just kind of hit the side button, wherever that button. Oh, there it is. Can you hear it? Come here, Kaylee. And what it does is it just sort of vibrates the powder out, and you can actually draw with it. So it's kind of neat, especially if you're somebody who works with powder. This would be really fun to add on to that. Yeah.
Yeah, we have another couple other things in here. So this is a mica flakes. I don't know, I'll open them up real quick so that you can see what these look like. These are
Sparkly.
a lot of fun. Yeah, nice and sparkly, right? So, and they fuse and have to be fused between the layers of glass, but and doesn't make a difference to COE of the glass. But nice way of adding a little accent or some like you said, sparkle, right? Who doesn't like that? And then, right, fusible high temperature rings. If you want to get in on those, Kaylee, and they're kind of hard
For
to
hanging
see.
smaller pieces and things, they're easy to use. And
Yeah, they're nice, and they hold their color. I mean, so they kind of stay this nice kind of silvery looking color when you fire them. They don't get all tarnished in the kiln. So just a nice wide variety of things. I think for the fusing person in your life that just needs some little extra stuff.
Kind of surprises, yeah.
Yeah, and so again, when the sale's on till the Thursday, December 15th, end of the day, I'm pretty sure, and it's $60 off.
Yeah.
Oh, really good. The sale price is $149.
So get yours while they last.